Welcome! In today's video, we're diving into a crucial aspect of your Instagram experience, managing who can mention you. This updated guide will help you take control of your mentions, ensuring that only the people you want can tag you in their posts and stories. Let's get started. First, unlock your device and open the Instagram app. Once you're in, look for your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to navigate to your profile. Next, at the top right of your profile page, you'll see three horizontal lines. This is the More icon. Give that a tap to access a menu with various options. Now scroll down until you find Settings. Tap on it to enter the Settings menu where you can customize your Instagram experience. From here, locate and select Privacy. This section is where you can manage all your privacy settings, including who can interact with you on the platform. Once you're in the privacy settings, look for Tags and Mentions. Tap on this option to proceed. This is where the real control begins. Under the Who Can Mention You section, you'll see several options. You can choose to allow everyone, only people you follow, or turn off mentions completely. Select the option that best suits your needs. If you're looking for more privacy, opting for people you follow is a great choice. After making your selection, make sure to save any changes if prompted. This step ensures that your preferences are applied correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully managed who can mention you on Instagram. By following these simple steps, you can enhance your online privacy and enjoy a more personalized experience on the platform. Don't forget to explore other settings in the privacy menu to further customize your Instagram interactions. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on managing your social media presence effectively.